Hello, hi, I'm Temera from Yizo.com. As we know that Senzo Meyiwa was the Bafana Bafana captain who was killed while he was visiting his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo at Khumalo family on 2014. Most of the people they suspect Kelly Khumalo about the death of her lover Senzo Meyiwa. Although there was 4 men arrested about Senzo's death, but the rumors suspect Kelly for hired hitmen to kill Senzo. Kelly said, "I never killed Senzo." Speaking through the attorney, former EFF treasurer Madeleine Musami said, "Find the person who killed Senzo Meyiwa and leave Kelly Khumalo alone. Our client is not implicated, not charged in this matter, and is therefore not a suspect. Let's allow her the opportunity to remain private in the best interest of herself and the children, especially the daughter she has with Mr. Meyiwa." The document also a cell phone record of Miss Kelly Khumalo indicating that her communication with the accused was a way of destroying her dignity, said Madeleine. I thank you. Please leave a comment and tell us what do you think about Kelly Khumalo saying. And don't forget to like, subscribe to be the first to see when I upload it.